If you use AI, this is for you.
Get full directing control. Direct the camera, lighting, and movement with precision and consistency. And make changes easily. To build your entire film, shot by shot.
I flew all the way to New York to test a new feature before it goes public. And it's not just another model. Artlist just launched the AI Toolkit.
The AI Toolkit has everything you need to create with AI, now organized for you.
A creation workspace where you can generate voice, images, and video in one place. But what actually makes it different is this. All the tools work together and keep the context of what you're creating. If you've ever used AI before, you know how annoying it is to lose the thread every time you switch tools. In less than a minute, I'll show you how this system works and why it could change the way you create with AI. Right now, making content with AI usually looks like this. One tool for images, another for video, another for voice. And every time you jump from one to the next, the same thing happens. The AI forgets your project. So you're constantly re-explaining the style, the goal, the character, the vibe, over and over again. It's not just inconvenient. It wastes time, it breaks consistency, and it's the reason most people never build a truly professional AI workflow. This is trying to fix that. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to build a real mini project inside the AI Toolkit in 3 steps. A consistent base image, a clean, usable video clip, and a voiceover that's ready to publish. And the key is that everything stays inside the same project, with the same context. Before I explain anything, look at this. This was made in minutes. Alright, now let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1, the base image. And instead of generating some random, cool-looking AI picture, we're creating something that actually works as the foundation for real content. Clean, realistic, commercial-looking, nothing cringe. I'm going for a high-end creator workspace vibe. Modern, warm lighting, realistic textures, shallow depth of field. The kind of frame that looks like it could have been shot on a camera. Perfect. That's what matters. Because now we have the aesthetic. We have the scene. We have the tone of the project. And instead of saving this and jumping to a completely different platform, we move straight into video inside the same workspace. Step 2, video. This is where most workflows fall apart. The image looks great, but then the video doesn't match. The lighting shifts, the style changes, the output feels inconsistent. But here, the toolkit already understands the context of what we just created. So I can simply tell it, animate this scene with a slow push-in movement. Keep it realistic, maintain the same lighting and color tone, and make it feel like a clean commercial clip. And that's exactly what you want. A short clip that looks stable, consistent, and usable in real content. Step 3, voice. Because generating cool stuff is one thing, actually publishing is another. So I'm going to add a short voiceover, add style, simple and clear.
Stop rebuilding context every time you switch tools.
With Artlist AI Toolkit, image, video, and voice live in one project, so your workflow stays consistent. And that's it. In minutes, you now have a complete mini project. Image, video, and voice, all inside the same workspace. By the way, this video is sponsored by Artlist, and they gave me early access to the AI Toolkit so I can show you the real workflow. But the point isn't to hype it up. The point is to actually test if it works. So here's why this is genuinely different, without the marketing talk. First, everything is organized by projects. You're not just generating random files and losing them. You're building inside a structured workflow. Second, the flow is natural. Image, video, and voice in the same place. That alone saves a ridiculous amount of time. And third, the big one, shared context. You don't have to re-explain what you're doing every time you switch tools, because you're not switching tools in the first place. If you work with AI, you already know that repeating context is like 80% of the frustration. Now here's the interesting part. Artlist also has its own model, Artlist Original Model 1.0. And the difference is it's not trying to give you that generic AI-generated look. It's aiming for something more grounded and cinematic, more like real content, more editorial, more usable. Let me show you a quick example. This is the kind of output you actually want when you create content. Something that feels like it could be a real frame from a camera, not some random internet AI image. And if you want to get the most out of this, here are 3 quick tips. First, work by projects. 1 project per video, per campaign, per idea. Don't mix things together. Second, lock your aesthetic early. A strong base image sets the tone for everything else. Third, start with short outputs. If your 5-second clip looks good, then you scale up. That's how you move fast without sacrificing quality. If you want to try it yourself, Artlist has included it inside their AI suite plans. There are options if you're just starting out and more complete plans if you create every week. I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah, you've seen it. This isn't just another AI tool. It's a complete workflow where image, video, and voice live inside the same project, with shared context and a much cleaner way to create. If you want a part 2 where I build a full YouTube project step by step using this, comment below and I'll make it. And like I promised at the beginning of the video, if you want the free PDF with the direct links to today's tools and all the prompts we used to get 100% out of them, just click the link in the description. Join the Discord, go to the bot PDF channel, send the bot a message, send it the link to the video you want to receive the PDF for, follow the steps, and you'll get access completely free. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.